Welcome to the top best. The best Hisense 65H9G is probably one of the most anticipated television releases of the year, boasting a stunning 4K ULED display with quantum dot technology for vibrant colors and incredible contrast, making it a serious contender in the premium TV market for those seeking an immersive viewing experience without breaking the bank. Number 5. Samsung 65-inch class Crystal 4K UHD $8,000 series Smart TV. Witness every detail with stunning clarity. Its powerful processor converts everything you watch into brilliant 4K resolution, ensuring an immersive viewing experience. Immerse yourself in millions of shades of color with our dynamic crystal technology. Enjoy a whole new world of vivid color and detail, especially in newer films and streaming content. Access a world of content beyond streaming. Control your smart TV with your voice, schedule recordings, and seamlessly connect with compatible devices using just one remote. Never miss a moment of the action. With minimized blur and enhanced motion clarity, it catches all the fast-moving scenes, whether you're watching sports or enjoying gaming. Its ultra-thin profile allows your television to blend effortlessly into any room. Enjoy a sleek and modern aesthetic that complements your living space. See what you've been missing on a crisp, clear picture. It upscales content to be 4x the resolution of Full HD, bringing you enhanced detail. What we like. Experience vibrant colors with dynamic crystal color and a powerful crystal processor 4K for stunning clarity. Its air-slim design ensures it blends seamlessly into your room. If you're looking for a TV that offers a great balance of picture quality and aesthetics for everyday viewing, this is a solid choice. What people say. It was unbelievably colorful and crisp and just a huge improvement from 1080p. The picture was great, it has some nice features, it's extremely lightweight and compact compared to earlier models, which explains why people aren't afraid to mount them on their wall or ceiling. Very sharp, seems to have a broad color range. On some of the newest material the picture almost appears to be 3D, it is so detailed. Number 4. Hisense ERF2K60H Voice Remote. Introducing the ERF2K60H replacement remote, designed to perfectly fit your Hisense Smart 4K TV. Enjoy effortless control with this voice-enabled device. Getting started is simple. Just insert two AAA batteries, and you're ready to go. No complicated pairing or setup required. Navigate your favorite shows and apps with ease using the built-in microphone. Simply speak your commands to find content or adjust settings. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Hisense Smart 4K TV models, ensuring a perfect fit for your specific device. Upgrade your viewing experience with this intuitive and responsive remote. It's the perfect accessory to unlock the full potential of your smart television. What we like. This is a replacement voice remote designed for Hisense Smart 4K TVs. It offers easy setup and voice control functionality. If your original remote is lost or broken, and you need a reliable and affordable replacement to regain voice commands and full TV control, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Works just like the remote that came with the TV Plus. Unlike the other ones that I was looking at on Amazon, this one also still has the Bluetooth functionalities of the original remote. It works perfect, quality is decent, and the microphone works as advertised. It's literally a carbon copy of our original remote, just without the Hisense name at the bottom. Also, for anyone saying that the Google Speak button doesn't work, that's probably because you need to pair the device to your TV, go to Settings, Remotes and Accessories, Add Accessory, and then hold down a menu button, looks like 3 parallel lines, on the remote until it says it's connecting. Mine paired just fine, and overall we are glad it's worth the $17 to have a working remote again. Number 3. ERF2K60H Replacement Voice Remote for Hisense 4K Smart TV. Don't worry if you've misplaced your original remote. This replacement is designed to get you back in control of your Hisense 4K Smart TV. Enjoy the convenience of voice commands again. This remote allows you to easily search for content and control your TV with your voice. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Hisense 4K Smart TV models, ensuring a perfect fit for your device. Getting started is simple. Just insert batteries and it's ready to use, no complicated pairing process required. Bring back the full functionality of your smart TV. This replacement remote offers the same great experience as the original. This is the ERF2K60H model, specifically designed to replace your lost or broken Hisense voice remote. What we like. This replacement voice remote control is compatible with a vast range of Hisense 4K smart TVs. It's designed for a comfortable feel and sensitive key response. If you need a new remote that works with many Hisense models and offers convenient voice control, this is an excellent option to consider. What people say. It looks identical to the original remote. Its responsiveness, range, and button sensitivity is virtually the same as the remote I'm replacing. Didn't have to program the remote at all, just put the batteries in and it was already working on my TV. Works great, easy to use as all buttons are the same. Number 2. Hisense Smart TV Voice Remote ERF2G60H. This is a replacement voice remote designed to work with a wide range of Hisense Smart TV models. It offers voice control functionality for a more intuitive viewing experience. Pairing this remote with your TV is simple. Just power on your television and keep the remote within 10 feet. Press and hold the menu button for at least 3 seconds to begin the pairing process. Once pairing is initiated, your TV screen will display a confirmation message if the connection is successful. If it fails, you'll see an unsuccessful message, indicating you may need to try again. Enjoy the convenience of voice commands. This remote allows you to control your TV's functions using your voice, making channel surfing and searching for content effortless. In addition to voice commands, it also features standard infrared control for all basic TV functions. This ensures you have full command over your entertainment system. To operate, this remote requires 2 AAA batteries. Please ensure you have these ready for installation to get your new remote up and running quickly. What we like. This is a replacement voice remote that offers easy pairing and IR button control for Hisense Quantum TVs. It features voice control and a straightforward setup process. If you have a compatible Hisense TV and want a functional remote with voice capabilities that's simple to get working, this is a great pick. What people say. Works great with Hisense Android TV. Our voice control stopped working with our original remote, but this one got everything working right away again. Connected so quickly and easily. No issues. The Vinipti replacement remote connected immediately to my Hisense TV. I was having trouble getting voice control to work, but turns out I just needed to be closer to my TV to get the Bluetooth to connect. Completely compatible with my TV. So far it's working just like the original remote. Number 1. ERF2G60H Replacement Remote for Hisense TVs. Introducing the ERF2G60H, a new replacement remote designed for your Hisense TV. It offers a comfortable grip and sensitive keys for effortless operation. This remote is compatible with a vast range of Hisense TV models, ensuring you can easily find the perfect fit for your device. Enjoy a high-quality feel and responsive buttons that make navigating your TV menus and content a breeze. This is a direct replacement for several Hisense remote models, including ERF2A60, ERF2B60H, and ERF2K60H, offering a hassle-free setup. Experience reliable performance with this remote, designed to provide a consistent and satisfying user experience. We are here to help. Please reach out to us if you encounter any issues with your purchase or our service. What we like. This replacement remote control is built for quality, offering a comfortable grip and sensitive keys for a pleasant user experience. It's compatible with numerous Hisense TV models. If you prioritize a remote that feels good in your hand and has responsive buttons, this is the one to go for. What people say. The Hisense 65H9G is a great TV for the money, with excellent picture quality and a sleek design. The Android TV interface is user-friendly and offers a wide range of apps and streaming services. The sound quality is surprisingly good for a TV, with clear dialogue and decent bass. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.